So I just washed it. Now I'm about to blow dry it. And I will get back to y'all when I'm done. Alright, I'm back. So I already straightened it. I am now going to attempt to make a bang. I want it like a sparse, full sparse bang. So let's see how this goes. Alrighty, so right now I'm just parting where I want my bangs to be, and then I'll run a hot comb through it to really like flatten the hair to my head. Y'all give me some advice, because with all my wigs, like, it kind of lifts in the front, and you'll see it like later on in the video, but how do I mitigate that? Like, because my head's small and I be getting the smallest cap. I really do. hair. I think it looks pretty fucking live. Now, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, sweetheart. Look. Oh, I just love it. You had me in the first one. You had me, but I think it ended like very well. So yeah, bye.